Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can sync the Odoo calendar with Outlook and how the whole process works. So when you're going to be right here in all your settings, so let's go here to settings, and then you're going to have the calendar, and there where you're going to have the calendar settings, you're going to have the Outlook calendar. And now I'm going to have to save the settings here. It's going to like do for you. And in a moment when you are going to have it, then you're gonna have have to write here the client ID for your Outlook, and then also you have to add the client secret, and this is something that you can find in your Outlook account. And if you would like, you can also pause the synchronization. So that's something that you can also do. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.